everybody. Today we're going to change the catalytic converter on my 1995 Mazda Miata. So lately, as I've been driving the car more and more, I felt some loss in power and in acceleration. So I'm suspecting it's the cats, and I also think it's the cats because when I start the car, it has trouble starting. So I think that's one of the symptoms of it. I could have tested it, but I don't know how, so I think I'm just gonna change it. So today I'm gonna be changing the catalytic converter. As I said before, all the signs point to it possibly being the catalytic converter. I didn't test it, so I'm just gonna change it to give myself a peace of mind, for later in the future. So I suspect it's the catalytic converter because it's had some trouble accelerating. It's had a couple of issues starting, so it takes a moment to start, and it's also making a rattling noise. So I just decided to go ahead and change it. So changing it is not that difficult, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, so here's our catalytic converter. So we're just gonna loosen the 4 nuts and bolts that's holding it between the header and the cat back. notable differences. So this is obviously the new one. This is the bad one. So this one weighs a ton, and as you can see, it is beat up from old age. So I think serve this purpose, and we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in, which is, well, it's much lighter than the OEM one, and it's looks like it's a lot smaller. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just the heat. I'm gonna say that's the heat shield. So we're just gonna go ahead and pop that sucker in, and it also came with the 2 gaskets. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and put in our new catalytic. Screws here. Alright folks, there you have it. There's the new catalytic converter. It looks a lot smaller, for sure looks a lot smaller than the OEM one. And certainly a lot easier to put on because I was able to get a wrench and a ratchet a lot easier because these little, I guess, corner pieces would get in the way. Definitely looks a lot cleaner under there too. I'll tell you what, the best pieces are sometimes the ones that people don't really see, but the ones that you know are there. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next one.